This video tutorial I will explain SQL dates. MySQL database supports the data type like date, date time, timestamp and year. Using these data types, we can store date or date and time value in the database. We will see the example now. Here you can see employee table and it has created date column and data type is date and it has 3 records. We will see how to insert one more record with date value. And here is the insert statement. We have to specify the date like this. I am executing this query. Here you can see one more record is inserted and date value also inserted. And if you want to select the record based on created date, we can use this query. Select star from employee where created date equal to the date value, year, month and date. And here we got the record. Now I am going to change data type of created date column as date time. Click on save. And here you can see date with time is there. And if I want to change the hours, do like this. I am changing the minute, changing the second. Next I am going to insert one record with date and time. Here you can see I am inserting one record with date and time. This is year, month, date, hours, minute and seconds. And here you can see one record is inserted. And here you can see the date and the time. And if I want to select one record with date and time, we have to use this query. Select star from employee where created date equal to date and time. And here you can see one record we got. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.